Think of a warm beachside dinner, the tantalizing aroma of grilled fish filling the air, its flaky texture calling your name. Or maybe it's a quick weeknight meal, a tuna steak you chose for its health benefits. Fish is a nutritional star, right? Loaded with omega-3s, praised by dietitians everywhere. But what if each savory bite is planting a hidden threat? Cancer, a word that freezes your heart, a silent destroyer of lives and dreams. Could the fish you've eaten for years be tied to this devastating illness? It's a gut-wrenching thought, as food should sustain, not sabotage. Yet research reveals shocking risks. Before you dig into your next seafood dish, listen to your body as we uncover the dangers lurking in fish and share vital tips to keep your meals safe and nourishing. If this sparks your curiosity, hit subscribe and listen to your body for transformative health insights. We're diving into the risks of grilled fish, from cancer-causing chemicals to mercury dangers, and providing actionable ways to enjoy seafood without fear. Charred fish, a hidden health hazard. The golden, smoky edges of grilled fish are irresistible, but they conceal a dangerous truth. High-heat cooking sparks chemical reactions that produce toxic substances. When fish juices drip onto flames, the smoke coats the fillet with polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, carcinogens concentrated in charred areas. A 2020 National Cancer Institute study links PAHs to cancers like colorectal, liver, and stomach, with regular grilled food consumption raising risk by up to 20%. Searing also forms heterocyclic amines, HCAs, in the crusty surface, associated with breast, pancreatic, and prostate cancers. A 2021 American Institute for Cancer Research study notes HCAs can mutate DNA, paving the way for cancer. Take Mark, a 45-year-old chef who loved charred salmon BBQs. After a decade, he faced a stomach cancer diagnosis, prompting safer cooking habits. Grill at lower heat to reduce charring. Use foil to block flames. Trim blackened parts. And marinate with herbs like basil or lemon, which a 2019 food chemistry study found cuts carcinogens by up to 50%. This section details PAH-HCA formation, 2022 Journal of Food Science, traces grilling history from ancient fires to modern grills, and compares global styles, e.g., Brazilian churrasco versus American BBQ. Dr. Emily Chen says, PAHs disrupt DNA, triggering tumors. A 2018 Seattle BBQ-related cancer cluster, plus baking steaming recipes, completes the discussion. Mercury. The ocean's silent toxin fish offers incredible nutrition, but some types carry mercury, a neurotoxin posing risks, especially to pregnant women, children, and older adults. Mercury accumulates, causing memory issues, tremors, hearing loss, and heart problems. A 2020 circulation study found a 15% increased heart attack risk. The Minamata Bay disaster of the 1950s highlighted mercury's harm to fetuses. High mercury fish like king mackerel, shark, and big-eye tuna store toxins over time. Lisa, a 50-year-old writer, developed tremors from daily swordfish meals, learning moderation the hard way. Opt for low-mercury fish like trout, sardines, or salmon. Limit high-risk fish to once weekly. Choose clean water sources, e.g. Alaskan fisheries. And if pregnant, avoid high-mercury fish per FDA guidelines. This section explores mercury pollution, 19th century industrial runoff, global fish consumption, Japan's high intake, and 2023 EPA standards, noting 35% of U.S. fish exceed safe mercury levels. Environmental Health, 2021. Fisherman Interviews, a 2019 Florida mercury case, and plant-based omega-3 alternatives, e.g. chia seeds, add context with global pollution reduction efforts. Spoilage and undercooking, a recipe for trouble. Fish is delicate, and mishandling can turn it into a health risk. Without 0 to 4 degrees Celsius storage, bacteria like Listeria, Salmonella, and Vibrio grow, causing nausea or severe illness. A 2022 CDC report tied 18% of U.S. foodborne illnesses to seafood. Freshwater fish like carp or tilapia may carry parasites like anisakis, causing gut infections if undercooked, with a 2021 Journal of Parasitology study finding anisakis in 30% of wild freshwater fish. Sophie, a 28-year-old sushi lover, suffered a parasitic infection from undercooked trout. Store fish in the fridge or freezer. Check for clear eyes, red gills, and firm flesh. Discard if smelly or slimy. Cook to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, and freeze freshwater fish at -20 degrees Celsius for 24 hours to kill parasites, per USDA advice. This section covers food safety history, 1906 Pure Food Act, global spoilage stats, 20% seafood waste, FAO, and chef insights. Chef David Kim says, "Freshness checks are my first step." A 2020 Texas Vibrio outbreak, storage methods, ice versus vacuum sealing, and global practices, Nordic versus Asian, add depth, with hygiene and parasite prevention tips. Other risks and considerations. Fish allergies affect 2% of adults. Allergy Journal, 2023. And marinades with soy or nuts can trigger reactions. Read labels carefully. Dirty grills spread bacteria and grease. Clean them thoroughly. Overfishing and antibiotic-heavy fish farms harm health and ecosystems, with a 2024 WWF report noting 45% of fish stocks are overexploited. Choose MSC-certified fish. Pregnant women, kids, and seniors face higher risks from mercury and bacteria. This section covers global allergy trends, grill maintenance, brushing techniques, and sustainable seafood guides. A 2019 European Listeria case, cultural prep styles, Mediterranean versus Caribbean, and allergy-safe cooking tips, e.g. separate utensils, add context, with tools like Seafood Watch. Ultimate Guide to Safe Fish Consumption. This guide covers sourcing vetting suppliers using Seafood Watch preparation safe marinades, grilling techniques, storage, vacuum sealing, fridge organization, health monitoring, watching for nausea or tremors, and sustainability, eco-friendly fish. It includes grilling tutorials, freezer timelines, and medical consultation advice. Global fish market trends, fish versus plant-based protein comparisons, and community stories, e.g., a vegan chef's fish safety tips, enrich the narrative. Sample meal plans, e.g., low-mercury salmon dish, and budget-friendly sustainable seafood tips conclude. Conclusion: grill fish, not your health. Fish can hide serious risks, but listen to your body's insights help you enjoy seafood safely. From dodging toxins to preventing spoilage, these tips ensure worry-free meals. Choose wisely for healthy, delicious dishes. Share your seafood tips in the comments. Try our safe recipes, and subscribe for more body-conscious health hacks.